N.R.T here, guys. So I got the axle on, got the motor on, but this little pulley there's no tension on the motor belt, and then when you turn the motor on, this slams into the belt and it pulls the belt and it puts tension and makes the mower work. That right there, or a little more, is where it's supposed to be, but that would put this mount right in this casting, so I can't get a bolt long enough to go through here. So what do I do? Do I cut this out and just slide the engine over and then bolt it down, or do I take this off and I don't know. Or maybe I could move this pulley over some, but then I have to move this over, and their drive shaft goes on here, so I'd have to shorten it some. But there is a little more on this side. But I'll probably never put a front attachment on this tractor, so I might just be able to push that over and pull this pulley over, and then I can just cut the drive shaft and shorten the drive shaft. What would you guys do if you were in this situation? Let me know.